Welcome to the Instagram Marketing Masterclass. Today, I'm going to share actionable strategies to turn your Instagram account into a money-making machine. Whether you're an entrepreneur, a small business owner, or just looking to build your personal brand, this guide will help you succeed. And if you're ready to take your Instagram journey to the next level, grab the book Get Social, Instagram Craze. The link is in the bio, and it's packed with everything you need to know to unlock financial freedom. Let's dive right in. The first step to making money on Instagram is understanding your audience. Who are they? What are they interested in? What kind of content grabs their attention? When you know your audience, you can create content that speaks directly to them. This is where building audience personas becomes essential. These personas are detailed profiles that represent your ideal followers. For example, if you sell fitness products, your persona might be a 30-year-old working professional who loves quick and effective workouts. Once you've built these profiles, tailor your content to their interests and needs. Get Social, Instagram Craze has a whole section dedicated to this, guiding you step by step to connect deeply with your audience and win their trust. Now that you know your audience, it's time to analyze your competitors. Take a close look at successful accounts in your niche. Study their posts, captions, hashtags, and engagement strategies. Notice what's working for them and think about how you can improve or fill gaps they're missing. Trends are another crucial part of staying relevant. Are people in your niche loving Reels right now? Is there a specific aesthetic or topic gaining traction? When you stay on top of trends, your content becomes more discoverable. And if you need help with competitor analysis and spotting trends, Get Social, Instagram Craze is the perfect resource to guide you. Instagram is a visual platform, so creating appealing content is a must. High-quality photos, cohesive themes, and eye-catching designs make a huge difference. But great visuals alone aren't enough. Your posts should tell a story or provide value. Think about solving problems, sharing insights, or showcasing your products in creative ways. For instance, if you sell skincare products, share tutorials, before and after shots, or quick tips for glowing skin. Apps like Canva and Lightroom can help you enhance your photos and maintain a consistent look. The book Get Social, Instagram Craze is filled with tips on creating content that not only stands out, but also drives sales. Your Instagram profile is your digital storefront. It needs to make a strong first impression. Use a clear professional profile picture and write a compelling bio that explains who you are, what you offer, and why people should follow you. Include a strong call to action like, click the link to learn more. A well-optimized bio can make the difference between someone scrolling past your account or clicking that follow button. And yes, Get Social. Instagram Craze goes into detail on crafting the perfect profile to attract followers and drive conversions. One of the best things about Instagram is its variety of content formats. Reels are excellent for short, engaging videos. Stories let you share quick updates and interact with polls, quizzes, and questions. Lives are perfect for connecting with your audience in real time. The more you diversify your content, the more ways you give your audience to engage with you. Experiment with different formats and see what resonates most with your followers. The book Get Social, Instagram. Craze breaks down how to use each feature strategically to maximize your reach and income potential. Growing your following organically takes time, but is well worth the effort. Use hashtags wisely by mixing popular ones with niche-specific tags. Engage with your audience, reply to comments, respond to DMs, and interact with accounts in your niche. Collaborations with influencers or hosting giveaways are great ways to boost your visibility. Always focus on quality over quantity. It's better to have a smaller, engaged audience than a large, disengaged one. The strategies in Get Social. Instagram Craze will help you attract followers who truly care about your content and are more likely to support your brand. Tracking your progress is key to refining your strategy. Use Instagram Insights to monitor your engagement, reach, and follower growth. Pay attention to what works and what doesn't. Then adjust your content accordingly. Analytics help you focus on what drives the best results. For those ready to master analytics and scale their Instagram income, Get Social. Instagram Craze offers clear guidance on how to use data to make smarter decisions. Get social. Instagram Craze now through the link in the bio. This book is packed with actionable insights and strategies to help you succeed. Thanks for watching.